And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 90. Let me show you how I can apply a gradient to text. This is actually a little bit trickier. Let's first create a text element using the T, the text tool. T is actually the short key for it. So if you can't find it, just press T and you can adjust the font right here. Text is a bigger topic that I'm going to talk about in this Illustrator playlist as well. For now, let us just pick something more bold, maybe even black. I use Arc Variable Concept, black. That should be inbuilt for you too. So you should definitely find it. Make sure to select it, and if you use the gradient tool and you left click on it, it looks like we have a gradient, at least here under the swatches, even if I pick this orange radial gradient, but something blends over it so that we can't really see it. And that's an issue that we need to solve. Let me make that black for now. And to solve it, we need on the window the appearance menu. I've shown you that menu already in an earlier tutorial. In this case, select the fill and delete it. Make sure that there is no extra fill and then add a new fill. And if you select a default gradient here now, let's get back to the orange radial. You can see now it's applied and we can see it. And you can use the gradient tool to adjust it now. Let me give that different colors. I adjust the midpoint. So this works now, and we can even use right here the gradient menu. So now we actually have the gradient that we wanted to have in the first place, but there's still a little bit of an issue. And you can see that if I close this menu and we zoom in, it looks like we still have a black outline for some reason. And that's also something that we can fix using the appearance menu. Here you want to scroll until you can find characters. Double click on that, find the fill for it, and then set that fill to none. When I deselect this, you can see the appearance menu switches back to the defaults and our outline is gone. Let me adjust it a little bit. So it's a little bit trickier to add a gradient to text in Illustrator, but using the appearance menu, you've seen we can fix all of these small issues. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.